Hello all you retro lovers, welcome to the Retrobike computer channel. Hello, back with the second part of this video to repair 13ZX Spectrum Pluses. If you haven't watched it, you ought to watch part one, where I just quickly went through, managed to repair do a few quick repairs, got some working, and some I'm going to have to revisit and see if I can work out how to repair them. I'll put a link hopefully up here to the other video. If it doesn't appear, that's because I don't know how to do it, or I didn't work out how to do it. So if anybody knows how to do that, please let me know. Otherwise it'll just be linked below. This is the very first one I looked at in part one, and it had a burnt resistor. It was blowing TR4s, but I couldn't find any short in the normal places. All the readings, resistances to the RAM all seemed okay, but I am looking forward to getting back to this one and having another go on it, because I think it's going to be a bit difficult and I fancy the challenge. And the other thing is, on I believe the second one I repaired, which I didn't actually video, but I put it on the first part just to say what I'd actually done to it, and on that one it was working fine until it was going through and testing the RAM, and I believe when it got to the last RAM chip it suddenly cut out on my protective power supply and went off. So now I'm wondering maybe on this one whether it is one of these RAM chips, although they seem fine, there's no short to earth. I think probably what I will do is just remove these and see if I can get rid of the overheating on the power circuit, and see if I can repair it that way. But I don't think that'll be till part 3 where I really get into these boards that have got bigger problems. So hopefully you'll join me for part 3 as well. Enjoy. Okay, so I think I've got 2 out of 4 working so far. I think my neighbour's wondering why I'm talking to myself, but never mind. Warranty seal. It was already broken. Right. Just having a look at this transistor TR4. Doesn't look like the standard ones. I can't really read the numbers. Right, it's 4S. This one's we've had most luck with so far. There's no mod on that one, by the looks of it. Right, shall we just plug it straight in, see what it does? Okay, can hear you all saying no, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay. Voltage is low. We did have something though, didn't we? Okay. We've got a short there somewhere. Let's just check the voltages. Okay, making a odd noise. -12 volt, -5, -5. Stick the old diagnostic board on. Okay. Oh. Suspected IC. IC7. What's that, RAM chip? IC7. Lower RAM. Okay. Shall we have a go at this one? What are these 4116s? Shall we take it out? Right, IC7 is here. Just double check. IC7. Should really put some flux on this, but for some reason I'm not going to. Right. Need to find a chip puller. Right, very much doubt whether that's going to come straight out. Probably going to need some extra heat. Okay. Right, they use hot air. Turn the flow down a little bit. Come on. There you want it. There we go. Tilt. Right, that's hot. Obviously we want to sock it in there. How many pins are these? I'll do it. There's always a bent pin. Now I'm going to need flux. The reason I didn't use it before is because it's blocked up and I couldn't be bothered to unblock it, but I'm going to have to unblock it now. Oh Christ. That'll do. Do I have anything to wipe my hands on? all of the corners. And just make sure it's pushed up flush against the board. That'll do. Wires. There we go. God, it's getting hot in here. What's the temperature? .31. Right. What happened to my good RAM chip? Perhaps I'll just try another one anyway. Oh, there it is. Okay. Fingers crossed. Okay. Testing upper RAM. Okay. Hey, that looks good, guys. What I didn't do with the other ones was actually check and see what we get on the screen without this diagnostic board in. Let's have a look. Yep. That looks good. Right, obviously these are all going to need a very good test. I'll have to get some capacitors as well. Probably got a few lying around, but not that many. So we'll call that one a success. 2 thumbs up. Okay, guess what I got here, guys? Ready for the reveal? A Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus. Right, getting quite excited to see what issue boards we got in these, because I'm enjoying the 4S's at the moment. can hear someone knocking on the door. Hang on. It wasn't for me. One more. Membrane's gone. What a surprise. That's rather annoying. ULA missing. Could pinch that transistor and try it in the other one. Or shall I try the one where I think I got the faulty ULA? Shall I try that in here? Let's take the board out. Right, this one's had a composite mod. Swapping over the cable. See what it does without the ULA. Nothing. That's possibly normal. Three B. Just take the ULA out of this one. Okay, try that. No. So it doesn't really tell me anything. So I assume this mod is okay on here. Hopefully it is. So that's another one. Well, we'll check the voltages. We can check the voltages. Boom, boom, boom. -12 volt, -5, -5, and 5. I will just give this a clean. Try again. No. So what can that be? Could be the ROM, could be the CPU. Though I did test the CPU on the other one with the same fault and that was okay. Or the ULA. So let's carry on. I will test one in a minute without a ULA with this board on, just see if I still get a picture. Which is possibly a stupid thing to say because it's probably the ULA that produces the picture, but I'm not sure, I'm no expert. Okay, we're going to make that the end of part 2. Sorry it wasn't on a bit more of a positive repair, but we can call that a cliffhanger because I will be going back to that board again and hopefully repair it. So part 3 should be fairly soon. I think I've recorded most of it, so please subscribe to see part 3. Thank you.